What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today I am going to show you how you can connect your Google Sheet to Typebot. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So here I am in the main interface of Typebot, so I'm going to click on create a Typebot and we are going to start from scratch. So here let's take a look at our Google Sheet first. So I named this test Typebot, and we have three columns. We have name, email, and age. So this is the information that we want to get from our user. So in our Typebot here, let's go ahead and drag text from bubbles, and we want to know the name. So let's type, what is your name? And we want the user to input a text, so let's drag text below it. And we are going to save the answer in a variable called name. So let's create this variable. Next, we want to know the user's email address. So let's drag another text from the bubbles and let's say, what is your email address? And let's drag email from inputs, and we want to save the answer in a variable called email. Okay, let's create this one. And we want to get the information about the age. So let's drag the text from bubbles and let's say, how old are you? Now we want the user to input a number, so let's drag number and put it below. And we are going to save the answer in a variable called age. So let's create this variable. All right, so after that, we have our three columns now. We have the name, email, and age. So let's connect our flow. Let's just connect these blocks. Now we are going to add integrations, and let's drag sheets from Google Sheets. So here, click on add sheet account. And here it is going to ask for your permission. So let's continue with Google. Choose the account you want to use and click on continue. Now here, click on pick a spreadsheet. So let's choose the spreadsheet we created for this flow. So for this one, we use test Typebot. Click on select and select the sheet. So here, actually everything here is just in sheet 1. So from here, let's select sheet 1. Select an operation. We want to insert a row every time a user inputs. Okay. Now click on add value. Now let's start from the column name. So we want to connect this to the variable name that we created. And let's add another value. Select column email, and we want to connect this to the variable email that we created. Add another value, and this time let's select age, and let's connect this to the variable age that we created earlier. Right, so after that, let's connect group 3 to group 4, which is our integration. And let's test this flow. Let's click on test. So it's going to ask, what's your name? Let's say the name is Bob. What's your email? So let's say bob@g.com. Okay, how old are you? Let's say Bob is 32. All right, now let's check our Google Sheet. Now here we can see that we got the information that the user entered. So we have here the name is Bob, the email is bob@g.com, and the age is 32. All right, so that's how you can connect your Google Sheet with your Typebot. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.